Bolt. As I said earlier today, Christopher Taylor, another Jamaican, did go faster than 47.33, but that was when the category was under 18. There's the lineup: Cheslin Gordon of Trinidad and Tobago, Paul Henry, Jamaica, Caden Prasad of Guyana, Egan Neely of the Bahamas, Cameron Mathlin of Grenada, Nikoi Bramwell, the defending champion from Jamaica, Shavonna Nixon of the Bahamas, and Aiden Moore of Barbados.
Fastest in qualifying was Mathlin from Grenada. The defending champion coming through with just the 5th fastest time, but coming through very, very comfortably in his heat. See Mathlin there. Hopes of the nation on his shoulders.
On your mark.
There's the defending champion, Nikoi Bramwell, goes in lane number 6. Has the kinesia tape on the right hamstring. That's been the bother for him in recent weeks. Final of the under-17 boys 400 meters. They await the command for a second time to hit their marks.
On your mark.
Gordon, Trinidad and Tobago, Henry, Jamaica, Prasad, Guyana, Neely, Bahamas, Mathlin, Grenada, Bramwell, defending champion, Jamaica, Nixon, Bahamas, and Moore, Barbados.
Despite the hamstring issues, Bramwell still ran 47.39 to finish second. The under-16 boys division at the Jamaican High School Championships. Away they go. Goes out a little bit quicker here, Nikoi Bramwell, than he did in qualifying. Already surges by Nixon on the Bahamas on his outside, and the Jamaican goes flying down the backstretch. Nikoi Bramwell in full flight here in the under-17 boys 400 final. His countryman Paul Henry is also running well and moving through in lane number 2. Under 200 meters to go. It's Bramwell with the advantage. If he can maintain this, this will be a race for the silver medal. The defending champion transitions down the home stretch. Paul Henry, his countryman, holding second. The Grenadian is coming forward. That's Mathlin. Bramwell defends his title and Mathlin gets silver.
Wow.
Nikoi Bramwell had the field beat from the first 200 meters. Held on strongly down the home stretch. A terrific finish coming from Cameron Mathlin of Grenada to snatch the silver medal. It's joy for the home country as Jamaica wins another gold medal here in Grenada, and I think he is amazed by the time. We are waiting for it. I think it's a championship record. It is. Usain Bolt's 47.33 has been removed by Nikoi Bramwell, and it's all happening here at the Kirani James Stadium.
Amazing performance from that young man. We knew he can go sub 47 given what he's had to go through over the past couple of weeks in terms of trials, in terms of champs. We didn't know what he would be able to produce here. He's been struggling with injury, but he was able to produce the goods in front of the crowd here at the Kirani James Stadium, in a stadium named for a great champion, world and Olympic champion from Grenada. He was able to step up and take the gold medal. Egan Neely holds on for the bronze, just holding off that young man from Jamaica, Paul Henry, for 3rd place on the home straight.
What a race, Alien, what a race.
Incredible, incredible. He led from gun to tape, never once looking compromised. He looked strong the entire race. The story here, of course, being the Grenadian finishing very, very strong in front of the home crowd. If you can hear the noise in the stadium, you know it's just for him. Incredible energy to push him to 2nd place, and 3rd place for the Bahamian, also looking great.
Superb performance by this young man, Nikoi Bramwell. Takes a special talent to remove a Usain Bolt record, one that has stood since 2002. Of course, the under-17 division interrupted by a few years when it was changed to under-18.
I think 3 years. 3 years you had the under-18 division, but nonetheless, great running by this young man. Anytime you see Usain Bolt in the records, you know that it is a big record.
Indeed, 47.27, a championship record for Nikoi Bramwell of Jamaica. Cameron Mathlin, 47.96, a personal best. Silver for Grenada. Egan Neely, 48.16, a personal best. Bronze for the Bahamas. Well, a record in the under-17 boys 400 meters. We had a record in the pole vault open for boys with Brendan Vanderpool earlier.
Welcome to Sports Soccer 345. And here we see another thrilling and exciting race in the 400 meters. This was the man called Nikoi Bramwell of Jamaica. This young man is special because he removed a long-standing record held by Usain Bolt in the 400 meters. And I'm telling you, to remove a Usain Bolt record, it doesn't take a stroll. You have to run from gun to tape. And this young man showed and proved that he is pedigree. This young man proved that he is one for the future. This was 2024. We continue to show some of these past races until the outdoor season gets kicking, gets running, and then we can show you current races. But this one was special. The man called Nikoi Bramwell. You will hear that name, and you're going to hear that name maybe in World Championships and Olympics because he's that good. This race was a thrilling one. The other Jamaican, he came fourth, and it was a very good run by the Grenadian and the Bahamian. And we talked about the Caribbean islands catching up on Jamaica in these races. You can see it's neck and neck, and it's end-to-end action, and it's all good for the Caribbean because, as I said, we need more representation from the Caribbean, from the other countries, you know, more from the Bahamas, more from Bermuda, more from Haiti, and so on, because the more we are from this region is the more foreign exchange and talent, you know, persons who are scouting for talent will come this way. And it's all well and good for the country. It's good for tourism, and it's good for several other, you know, avenues in the country. So it's good overall. And this is a way also for these young people to open a door for them in overseas market where they can go to college and universities and, you know, to help themselves and help their families, because track and field, I think, is one of the way out, but it's not an easy sport. It takes blood, sweat and tears, because come when, you know, the days when you have to train, and I guess none of us will see what they do. We only see them on the track and then we get to criticize them, but I know it's not easy. So this young man, I love the run that he did, and he showed that he had speed. From the gun sounded, he led that race right up until the end, and he's special, very, very special. Continue to watch Sports Soccer 345, where we bring you your news, views and reviews, and remember to touch that subscribe button and the like button before you leave. Thank you. God bless you. Walk good, my friend.